Tuala Ponifasio is a lawyer by profession. Back in 2016, he ran for the general election, going up against the current Minister of Tourism, Sala, Fata, Pinati, and lost. However, as Ponifasio explains, not long after the general election, Mr Pinati's Election Committee accused him of bribery and corruption.
This matter was at the district court, and some of these allegations were proven at the district court level. Then I appealed this matter to the Supreme Court, and all of the charges, and including the sentence against me, was wiped clear.
Ponifasio said in 2017 he was charged and convicted with 5 bribery and corruption charges in the district court and was ordered to pay 8,000 tala. During this legal battle, he noted that Sala Fata Pinati's election committee members pursued to challenge his appeal, even to the point of calling in the Attorney General, Lemalu Herman Retzlaff. Ponifasio said his legal team questioned the involvement of the Attorney General in this case. After they received their concerns, the Attorney General withdrew.
They sought powers of the Attorney General, and this is something I still can't understand. The Attorney General actually delegated his powers to Sala Fata's lawyers to appeal this matter to the Court of Appeal. Now, this is it's unheard of. It's just, you can't have a public Attorney General delegating powers to a private prosecution.
Tuala says now that he is a free man with all charges against him dismissed, his case serves as a lesson as to the length that some people will take to try and manipulate the legal system in order to exercise their own power and get their way.
I think it's a lesson for everybody. Don't use the court as a vehicle to execute your hate or your whatever you want to satisfy. Don't use the court processes. There are other ways of resolving it. There's our Samoan way.
Tala Fou contacted the Attorney General's office several times over the past 2 days, trying to get a response as to how and why he became involved in a private prosecution against Tuala Ponifasio. We received no formal response. Tala Fou also tried contacting the Minister of Tourism, Sala Fata Pinati's office, to get an official comment. Several times his secretary hung up the phone a number of times and spoke in a very unprofessional manner as a secretary for a government minister. Tuala Ponifasio says at this stage he is undecided whether he will run for the next general election in 2021. Renee Kahukura Yosefa for Tala Fou.